Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I'm gonna be who I am. I'm comfortable with who I am. I don't have to fake it and try to be someone I'm not. And especially to the girls, I'm telling you, and I'm done with this talk, with the younger girls in the audience and the young sisters that I have. One of the crises that we have in the US, and I think it's all over the world, is self-esteem for Muslim women. Self-esteem for Muslim women. You have non-Muslims that can dress however they want, and we have restrictions on how you can dress. And you feel like, well, I have to look ugly and they get to look so beautiful. And some girls feel that way. And why do I have to wear this thing? Or why am I so short? And why am I so fat? Or why am I so skinny? Or why am I so this? Or why are my eyes so far apart? Why is my nose so big? Why are my teeth not aligned? You're so overly conscious of yourself. Why is there this dot on my cheek over here? If you stretch it so much, you might see it. Oh, it's so ugly. And you're like looking at it for 35 minutes in the mirror. You have to find comfort with yourself. You have to be comfortable with who you are. This is really important. And don't wish for what somebody has. وَلَا تَتَمَنَّوْا مَا فَضَّلَ اللَّهُ بِهِ بَعْضَكُمْ عَلَى بَعْضٍ لِلرِّجَالِ نَصِيبٌ مِّمَّا اكْتَسَبُوا وَلِلنِّسَاءِ نَصِيبٌ مِّمَّا اكْتَسَبْنَا وَاسْأَلُوا اللَّهَ مِنْ فَضْلِهِ. So beautiful. Don't wish for what other people have. I wish I was as tall as this one. I wish I was as wealthy as that one. I wish I had those clothes. I wish I looked like that. I wish. No, actually Allah made you awesome. That's it. It's good enough. And the parents that are in the audience, it is your absolute responsibility, especially to your daughters, to compliment them. It's not wrong of you to tell them they're beautiful. You should tell them they're beautiful. Because if they don't hear that from you, they're going to look to hear that from somebody else. Dummy. Do it yourself. You have to do that. Our girls have low self-esteem because nobody validates them. Nobody tells, especially the fathers, especially, not the mothers. Mothers love anyway, The fathers, you have to go out of your way to compliment your daughters. And stop having the attitude that nothing they do is good enough. Stop talking down to them. It's killing them. It's killing them. In our deen, we always talk about the rights of the parents, and they have rights, but they have responsibilities too. This is why they'll end up in bad kinds of relationships if we don't do that. If we don't take care of this scenario. So these are just a few things I wanted to share with you about friendship. I pray that this discussion was of some benefit to all of you, inshallah ta'ala. I'm first of all really, really honored to be here, and tomorrow I'm giving you a heads up right now. Tomorrow's talk is going to be a lot different from today's. You know why? Because I'm not going to be sitting at a table. I can't see everyone. So I'm going to be walking around. I prefer doing that because it's scarier for you, because you never know if I'll pick on you and stuff. And it's better, it keeps you awake and afraid. Worried for your dignity. So, and I don't mind picking on sisters. I'll pick on you.